How to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. Let's get started. For that, first of all, open up settings. Inside here, scroll below, tap on accessibility. Inside here, scroll down, and then you can simply tap on hearing devices. Now, make sure hearing aid compatibility is turned off. After that, inside here, head back, tap on touch, and then you can scroll below, then tap on call audio routing. Tap onto it and set this option to automatic. Now head back to settings, then tap on general, scroll below, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Now tap on reset, select reset all settings, enter your passcode and then confirm. Don't worry, this will not delete your data, but it will reset your system settings. Now you can simply clean your speaker. Sometimes the issue is just dirt and dust. You can gently clean both the bottom speaker and the top speaker for better sound quality. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel.